Doesn't start by going out. You ain't got no money. You want to go buy an apartment complex like Grant Cardone says. That is not the way you do it. That's not going to work. What they want you to do is give them your money, let them buy an apartment complex, and them give you 10% return on your investment. 2 years down the road, pay you off completely, and they own the whole apartment complex, and you don't own nothing. Don't do deals like that with anybody. If you're going to do a syndication, what a syndication is, where they pool in a bunch of money from a bunch of different people, and then they build something or they buy it, they may have a 24-month or a 5-year plan of exiting it, or maybe they're going to refinance it after a couple years. A good investor with integrity is going to give you the option to come in, put your money in there. 2 years from now, they're going to pull that money out. 5 years from now, they're going to pull that money out. They're going to give you all your money back, plus a little bit, hopefully, and you're still going to own the same percentage of the deal that you owned in the beginning. That is the best way to do it. Then it's passive income for your life. Now, other deals are made where they're going to give you 12% interest return on your investment. They come in promising you something like that. Yeah, they may buy you out of the deal in the end. You know, I would rather give somebody 12% return on their investment and then 2 years from now do a cash out refi, pay those people off. I use their money for 2 years for 12%, and now I own the whole entire apartment complex. If you have questions about that, put them in the comments. Nick will read them to us, but that's a syndication. That's what a syndication is. I do not do any syndications at the moment. I am very familiar with it. I've had numerous classes and I've been in numerous training sessions on them, but at the moment, we haven't run out of money to the point that I need to do a syndication. So we do everything ourselves.